Yo, what's good, yo? It's your boy Poncho, back with another video today. Uh, Today we'll be watching people versus animals. So, y'all can already tell what's gonna happen and all these things. So, oh, hold up, forgot my water. My baby girl. Y'all better stay hydrated now, alright? Anywho, let's get right into this video. Hope y'all enjoy.
Hi. Hello, hi. You should come towards me.
Is that a sheep?
Maybe I'll try to ride you. The one thing about these pigs, they love the
Homie, that's a pig? Since when did pigs get so damn hairy? Oh my gosh, bro. I'm not even looking at what just happened to him, but I ain't never seen a pig so hairy. Oh snap. Oh, alright, sorry. Damn! Did you see his stomach, how it just moved? Bro, that cat munching. Oh, shoot.
Give me my burger. This is what I deal with every time I eat.
That's a big boy.
You'd think I'd be a thinner human being with this little
Nah, cut. You just be eating. Oh. Oh. Wait, what'd he do? I didn't even see. Oh. Dog undid her bikini. There's some smart dogs out there, let me tell you. Oh, damn. Who the hell walks the dog out at this time of the day? It might be early morning or sorry. We're getting at nighttime. I would never walk my dog at that time, bro. That's just creepy.
You're not going anywhere.
Oh shoot.
You're not going anywhere.
You ain't going no. Did you see the dog? He said, oh hell no.
This is a pumpkin. It's a pumpkin for Boo. For Boo, it's right there. Yes.
What that, a pigeon?
Ow! Ow! God damn it, you stupid.
Oh!
It's a pumpkin.
Oh!
Damn it, you.
Oh! It just, what is that? Ew! What is that? What? Is that supposed to be a brownie? The fact that the cat just completely submerged his leg in there. Yo, that's a big pig, dog. Oh. Oh. Hell no. He was getting riled up. Yo. I want a dog so bad now. We had a dog in Florida. I don't know if I told y'all, but it was like a Pomeranian son. My mom brought it from Colombia. And we couldn't handle the dog, man. That dog would bark every single day. It was bringing frustration in the family, so we had to give it away, unfortunately. But I want a dog now. That cat about to hit her. Ooh! Don't fall on the dog. Oh. Oh, shoot! I think she do with their hand. Ah! Damn! I felt that, dude. What the? Yo, that dog is on freaking acid, dude. Oh. Where did she come from? Like, why is she wearing that? Oh my god. Bro, that cat tripping, dog. Oh, I don't know why I paused it. I was just waiting for the cat to do something. Ooh, I want to kick that cat off that couch. That cat's about to start spazzing out, dude. Oh, damn! How does that happen? Yo! Ooh! Oh, dude, look at you squished the cat, Helby. Bro, a cat just dumped you in the tub. What the heck was that? I don't even know. Oh! Dude, if that was planned or not, that was impressive how the horse just threw her in the water. That was kind of cool. I hate horses though. I'll never have sympathy for horses. They suck. Oh! Some rich neighborhood. Bro, she ain't going out to run no more. Ruined it. Nah, bro, that cat about to turn on you. Oh! What the? Thank God, I want a dog now, bro. What the hell is she wearing? Like a visor with some shields on the side? Bro! That is intense, dude. I would have passed out. That is so scary, yo. Oh my. Dude, cats get in the way of everything, dog. Like, everything. It's not just the dogs, man. Look at this. Oh, God. Look at this old timer. This dog look like he at least 14 years old. He knew what he was doing. Oh, that dog is adorable. Oh, bro, that's the cat I want, yo. What the? I want the naked cats. Ow! Man, dude, if that was me, bro, that cat would have got a big chunk of my nose, bro. My nose is pretty fat. Oh! I thought I was gonna hit the dog. Ooh! Damn! Oh no, not another horse one, dude. He ain't gonna jump it. He says, "Sight." Oh.
No. Kisses.
Ow. Ow. What the hell? Bro, speaking of, where was it? I think it was in Korea or Colorado. One of those two. But there would always be this cat that would like hide under cars and all that stuff. No, in Korea, yes. I feel like this cat wanted to kill himself, man. Like every time cars would drive by, this dude would always be on the street, man. And yeah, I was a suicidal cat, and I think that same cat was like when winter hit Korea, bro. We found that cat like dead on the side of the street. He was frozen, bro. Like he was just like frozen. So I grabbed a stick and hit it. Who the hell has a rooster in front of their house? Like a metallic rooster. What kind of fashion is this? Gotta be Arizona or something. Oh, I loved doing that when I had a dog, just tricking him. Oh!
No, I just seen that you shared something. Aww.
Nah, cause he ain't sleeping. He just waiting for you to go. What? Oh! 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 On top of the flower cut. Whoa! What the hell? That look like freaking. That look like washed up broccoli, bro. You need to water them plants, homie. Oh! Oh! Did you hear? Damn. Oh, cats ain't playing around, cut. What? This man landed on the dog. Look at him freaking out. Look at the dog freaking out. What the hell? Thanks for her laugh. Dude, people with those laughs will always have me laughing, I swear. If the video ain't even funny, it's just a laugh. Oh boy. That comes the end of our video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Alright.